Hey there friend, welcome back. This video I am going to show you how to turn on charging sound when plugging in your Samsung phone. Let's get started. First, take your phone, open the settings page. Once you are in settings, scroll down slowly. You can locate the sound and vibration option, tap to open it. After that, scroll down again, go to system sound. Here you can see various options. Locate the charging option. Right now this option is turn off. Simply tap on the toggle switch and turn it on. You have successfully done. Now also back to the previous page, go to main settings, scroll down, then open battery. After that scroll down again, go to charging settings and make sure to show charging settings information is turned on your device. So this means show battery level and estimated time until full when always on display is off or not show. Thanks for watching guys. Also subscribe to my channel.